Ever feel like your household messes, the spilled snacks, the garage sawdust, or even those mystery puddles in the basement, are just too much for a standard vacuum to handle? If you're tired of babying your gear and you're ready for a cleaning powerhouse that actually gets the job done the first time, you need to meet the Amazon Basics 6-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum. This isn't just another cleaning tool. It's a rugged, high-performance workhorse designed to tackle the kind of heavy-duty messes that would send a regular vacuum packing. Right out of the box, you're looking at a serious upgrade in raw power. With a 3.5 horsepower motor, this vacuum doesn't just nudge dirt around. It generates the intense suction needed to pull up everything from heavy wood shavings and construction debris to accidental spills and standing water. Whether you're cleaning out your car after a messy road trip, clearing your workshop floor, or handling a leaky pipe emergency, this machine handles the transition between dry debris and wet liquids without breaking a sweat. What really stands out is the design. That 6-gallon stainless steel tank is a massive win. It's large enough to hold significant debris, meaning you spend way less time stopping to empty it, but it's still compact enough to maneuver easily around your home, garage, or workspace. The stainless steel construction isn't just for looks, either. It's built to be durable, rust-resistant, and easy to wipe down, ensuring that this vacuum remains a staple in your cleaning arsenal for years to come. You're also getting a comprehensive filtering system that keeps the air in your workspace cleaner while you're vacuuming, preventing fine dust from just blowing right back out. Plus, it's designed with convenience in mind, featuring an easy carry handle and a balanced build that makes it simple to transport wherever the mess is happening. You don't need a professional cleaning crew to get your home or shop back in order. You just need the right machine that can take a beating and keep on going. It's reliable, it's impressively powerful, and it turns those daunting cleaning projects into a quick, satisfying task. If you're ready to stop worrying about the mess and finally get the right gear for the job, click the link below for the best price.